Aloha, Raw Organic Conrad here, in the dark, on the bayfront, with the water. Krunchi, Bitz and Rory here. Durianing it up, oh my god. Extreme close-up. Oh my god. There we go, extreme close-up. We got extreme close-up.
Oh my god, I was trying to get some light on the matter here. Extreme close-up, hold on, wait, right here. There we go, light. Nope. Kind of. Oh wow.
Kind of.
Okay, Krunchi here.
Of course, Krunchi gets the best lighting.
We each got a pod.
The
pod. I'm finishing mine off. This is so good. It's so different from each pod is so different from every other pod.
Yeah,
I
the
got
last
3
one,
pods in mine.
It's awesome.
I was blessed. I got 3 pods.
We've got to bless up our
course.
special guest.
This is the quintessential Rory moment. He just comes in and cleans house right away. The best right away.
Right, the best of the best, right. Suddenly there was 3 pods in a dude. That doesn't happen. There's only supposed to be 2.
It's never happened before. I've never seen it.
But here we are. Rory arrives, got himself a triple.
Wow. Triple pod. Look at
Wow.
the size of that thing.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Wow.
And this was a gosh, how much was it? 8.5 pound durian, I believe. 8.5 pound. It's the darkest mukbang you've ever seen.
So do you have durian for breakfast?
Or that you've ever not
We
seen.
had durian breakfast.
Absolutely durian for breakfast.
We had durian lunch.
We had durian dinner and durian after mint.
Dripping durian.
It's dripping.
Lick
Oh
it.
my god, it's
not
dripping.
lick it. That's what she said. Dude, we had the best time today. We hung out down there on the lawn, got by the water.
So
Tons of
good.
fruit.
I'm Raw Organic Conrad.
Beautiful women. Uh-oh, were we live?
No, we're gonna go live right now. I'm just gonna sign out of YouTube. I'm Raw Organic Conrad. Don't like, don't subscribe.
Dude.
Just juice.